What has Richard Nixon ever done for you?
What has Richard Nixon ever done for me? Medicare. No, that was Humphrey's idea. But Nixon. What, to bomb? The nuclear bomb. No, it was Humphrey's idea to stop testing the bomb. But Nixon. Now, what has Richard Nixon ever done for me? Let's see. Working people, I'm a worker. Nixon ever do anything? No. Humphrey and the Democrats gave us Social Security. But Nixon. Nothing in education. Nothing in housing. Hasn't done anything there either.
The preceding has been a paid political announcement by Citizens for Humphrey Muskie.
Funny. There must have been something Nixon's done.